Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country 6.2. This one here, absolutely gorgeous spec. Cherry red tint coat over jet black interior, 6.2 liter Ecotec V8 made it to the 10 speed, and a total price of $68,730. Pretty much as fully loaded as you can get though. Adaptive ride control. Man, this thing is loaded out. But man, is she gorgeous. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Where's that button? There it is. Nice wood trim all here. Go ahead. Reverse. Front camera. Sunroof. All right. Oh, we gotta have something. We have downhill descent. That button was here. Oh, we don't have downhill descent control. What we do have is low mode. Off-road mode might select it from default. I don't know. I'll go into sport mode. Haven't driven one of these in sport mode. This is probably my favorite truck on the lot right now, which narrows it down to about 10 trucks, but we're getting a lot more now, which is good. Oh, we're getting more. Oh man, we got like 3 or 4 trucks today. That's the other. This is its twin in blue. I'm not talking about in just 3-4 trucks in general. I'm talking about car carriers. I got some SLTs, AT4s, another Denali. That one looks like a 5.3 because it doesn't have the secondary mufflers. Wow, starting to get back to normal, guys. Got a bunch of new Kias. Whew, things are turning around. The issue is we have to bring in a lot more than we're selling. We're selling a lot still. It's the craziest thing. Production has gone down by like 75%, but demand has stayed the same, if not increased. So we're selling cars. Cars are sitting for maybe a week and they're gone. So we're just turning them around so fast. So the selection, you know, the inventory itself is looking low, but we're still bringing new things in. They're just selling quicker, so we're not having them sit on lots for months. But we're still getting all your favorite cars and trucks in. You can still order them, so that's what I might be doing. If I were buying a car or truck right now, I'd be ordering one. That's gorgeous. Buick Regal T-Type. Grand National that's not a Grand National. These things move. Even this lot's starting to become more full. Now keep in mind, I joined Quark February of 2020, before, you know, everything got insane. But I've worked through this whole thing, and it's just getting crazier and crazier. What a time to be working in the industry, guys. Honestly. You know, this is something that we haven't seen since the Great Depression. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.